Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PandaDoc to Slack for document approvals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect PandaDoc to Slack for document approvals, start by logging into your PandaDoc account. Navigate to the integrations section in the dashboard. Find Slack in the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button next to Slack. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. Sign in to your Slack account if you are not already logged in. Choose the Slack workspace you want to connect to PandaDoc. Grant the necessary permissions for PandaDoc to interact with your Slack. Once authorized, return to your PandaDoc account. Create or open a document you want to send for approval. Locate the Send option within the document. Select Send for approval from the drop-down menu. Choose the Slack channel or individual you wish to send the document to. Add any necessary notes or instructions regarding the approval. Click the Send button to share the document on Slack. Your team will receive a notification in Slack for document approval. They can review the document directly from the Slack message. Once they provide their feedback, you will receive the updates in PandaDoc. Keep track of the approval status within your PandaDoc dashboard. This integration streamlines the approval process, enhancing your workflow in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.